Imagine the thrill of returning to Earth after nearly 5 months in the vastness of space. This was the reality for a team of 4 astronauts who recently concluded their mission aboard the International Space Station, ISS. On a Saturday, they made a spectacular splashdown in the Pacific Ocean, just off California's coast, using the very same SpaceX capsule that had launched them into orbit back in March. The journey home took approximately 17 hours, during which the capsule endured intense re-entry temperatures soaring to around 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit as it navigated through the atmosphere after undocking from the ISS the previous day. The crew comprised NASA astronauts McClain and Nichole Ayers, Takuya Onishi from the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, JAXA, and Kirill Peskov, a cosmonaut from Russia's Roscosmos. During their time on the ISS, they engaged in over 200 scientific experiments aimed at preparing humanity for future explorations beyond low Earth orbit. These studies included material science and investigations into the physiological and psychological effects of space travel on the human body. We accomplished a lot of incredible operational tasks, witnessed breathtaking views, and shared many hearty laughs, making wonderful memories together, shared Nichole Ayers, who served as the mission's pilot. For both Ayers and Peskov, this mission marked their first venture into space, while McClain and Onishi had previously visited the ISS. Just a week prior to their return, their replacements, known as Crew-10, arrived at the station. This new team includes NASA astronauts Zina Cardman and Mike Finke, JAXA astronaut Kimio Yui, and Russian cosmonaut Oleg Platonov, who will spend approximately 6 months conducting scientific research and maintenance aboard the orbiting laboratory. This mission was significant as it represented the 12th occasion that SpaceX has transported NASA astronauts to the ISS. Since 2020, SpaceX has been a key player in ferrying astronauts to the station as part of NASA's Commercial Crew program, effectively ending the agency's dependence on Russian spacecraft for transportation, following the retirement of the Space Shuttle program in 2011. Since October 31, 2000, there has been a continuous human presence aboard the ISS. However, plans are in place for NASA and its international partners to retire the ISS by the end of the decade. Looking ahead, NASA is optimistic that commercial companies will develop new space stations to support its astronauts in the coming years. Before departing, McClain, the commander of Crew-10, expressed a poignant sentiment. "We are all acutely aware that this might be a once-in-a-lifetime experience. In the final days of our mission, we reflected deeply on the incredible journey we have all been part of." But here's where it gets controversial. As we look to the future of human space exploration, what role do you think private companies should play? Are we ready to rely on them for our next steps into the cosmos? Share your thoughts in the comments.